So in this tutorial, we're going to go over how to write a recursive function to calculate one or multiple Fibonacci numbers. Now we have the Fibonacci formula here, which will give us some insight on how to write the function. So we can start off like any function and define fib, and we're going to do n. With Fibonacci's, we know that if n equals 0 or n equals 1, that's going to return 1. That's because both of these numbers are less than either of the numbers here in the function, and it's also one of the built-in rules of the Fibonacci sequence. We could come down here and then we can now do our actual function. So return fib n minus 1 plus fib n minus 2. And lastly, we'll return the 10th Fibonacci number, but since Python starts at 0, we're going to type 9. And you can see we have the 10th Fibonacci number returned. Now we could use this function to do a dictionary comprehension, and this will return the first 15 numbers. We could start off here by doing a regular set comprehension, and we're going to define n as our number. We could pass through our fib function, and now we're going to iterate over n. And just like that, you can return all 15 Fibonacci numbers in just one line of code.